Okay, 19 wants us to multiply, so let's do A first. So I have 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 2. So first we do the 2x and we distribute that in. 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Then we do the 1. 1 times 3x is 3x. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. There's our like terms, right? So I have negative 4 and positive 3. That's minus 1x or minus x minus 2, right? We have to combine our like terms. Okay, for B is going to be a little bit longer, right? We have 2x plus 1 times 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. So we take the 2x and we have to distribute it to all three terms, right? 2x times 3x squared is 6x to the third. 2x times negative 2x is minus 4x squared. And 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. Then we do the 1. So 1 times 3x is 3x squared, right? Or, sorry, 1 times 3x squared. 1 times negative 2x is negative 2x, and 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. So now we combine any like terms. I have 6x cubed. Then I have negative 4x squared plus 3x squared. That's negative 1x squared, or negative x squared. Then I have negative 10x and negative 2x. That's negative 12x. And then minus 5. So the answer comes out to be 6x cubed minus x squared minus 12x minus 5.